important concepts today we will learn. Okay. See, now I will draw two circles. Now I will draw two big circles. Okay. In that circles, I will draw stars. What I will draw today here? Stars. Okay. See, children. And in another one circle also, I will draw star. Okay, children. Now, in first circle, shall we count how many stars are there? Okay. Children, in this circle, how many stars are there? We will count now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many are there? 5. See, children. In this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only how many are there? 4. See. Which is more now? 5. Okay. The 5 is a more. Whatever is there on this side, this is more. And here only 4 stars are there. That's why this is a less. Okay. Here more, less. More, less.
Start.
Children, for example, imagine in your home, okay, mother will give you two options for you, okay. In that, one is chocolate and one is rice. In that, you will ask to your mother to give me the more chocolate and less rice, okay. Okay, children. Now, you all understand the more and less, okay. I will explain you once again in Kannada, okay. Children, ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಷ್ಟು ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದೇ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ತಿನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Next, we will go to the next concept, that is tall and short. Okay, children? See, tall and short. Okay. You all see the very tall coconut tree, no? See here. Now you all see the very short grasses, is it? See here, very short grasses. Okay, children? Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay, children? Now see here, children. For example, this stick is very tall. What is the very tall? See here. Okay. See here, children, this stick is very short. What is that? Very short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Okay. One more example. When you tell me, no, ma'am, my brother is very tall. Is it? You will tell, I am very short to my brother. Is it, children? Okay. Now we will move to the next concept. Let us go to the next concept, that is big and small. Big and small. See, children, let us take one more example. See here, dolphin and fish. Dolphin and fish. See, dolphin is very big and fish is very small. Okay, children? And let us take one more example. One more example. See here, children, watermelon and apple. See here. See the difference. See the difference. Watermelon is very big and apple is very small. Watermelon is very big and apple is very small. Big, small. Big, small. Okay. Let us learn next concept, that is long and short. Okay. Long and short. Long and short. See, let us learn. For example, see here, this line is very long. See here, this line is very short. Okay. Now, let us learn one more example. See here. This scale is very long. This scale is very long. Compared to this scale is very short. This scale is very short. Long, short. Long, short. Okay. See here. Long and short. Okay, children. Now let us go to the next concept, that is
Start.
let us learn next concept, that is thick and thin. Thick means your thumb finger is there, no? It is very thick, and your last finger is very thin. See here, thick and thin. See, let us learn one example, that is mango. Mango tree is very thick, okay, and coconut tree is very thin. Mango tree is very thick. Mango tree ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ದಪ್ಪಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, okay. Coconut tree ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ತೆಳ್ಳಗೆ ಉದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, okay children. Next, let us learn one more example. See children, you all saw the marker pen, no? The marker pen is very thick and the pencil is very thin. Thick, thin. Okay children, thank you.